Well, I'm going to be working with you people who are coming on getting you into a direct conversation with what I like to call um, your enchantment. There are other words that we can use for that. We could call it your sense of magic. We could call it your call it your creativity. We could call it your imagination. But for me, enchantment is the word that gets me closest to what it feels like. We spend a lot of time tapped into our fear. We spend a lot of time tapped into our anxiety. We spend a lot of time tapped into our ambitions, but we don't necessarily spend a lot of time tapped into what our sense of enchantment likes to do. And so that's what I'm going to be helping you to find and giving you permission to find. It's a lot simpler than you think. It's a lot closer. You'll find when you do the workshop that you're going to come away with a relationship that you didn't know you had that's been waiting for you to tap into it.